Campfire Cooking is the greatest cozy adventure isekai of this fall season by far. After getting summoned to another world, Makuda's online supermarket skill is seen as useless. So instead of joining the hero's party, he starts traveling the world on his own. His skill isn't overpowered, but it lets him cook insanely good food on the road, good enough to attract mythical creatures and even gods. Here's my review of Campfire Cooking in Another World Season 2. Just like Season 1, the cooking is super detailed and the same cozy vibe is still here. We've got a new cast member adding even more charm, and while nothing crazy is happening, it's still a great choice for a laid back fun watch.